By many myths has man declaimed the day when he first wrought fire, and so reckoned himself different from animal, by craft, trade, and art. For if Zeus punished Prometheus by charging an eagle to peck at his liver each day, chained upon a pillar, then do the boons of technology, which bring us to material ease, peck away at the flesh of our souls. Since that day, the question remains: did we raise ourselves to heights of splendor unimagined, or raise up new idols to rule over us? Are we at the precipice of unparalleled ease, or of the great erosion of our capacity to dream, to love, and to reason? Does the march of technology journey toward a human end, or toward the monster of Shelley's Frankenstein? For whether the AI future will bring utopia or dystopia, we are bold to ask: what home has the human soul in a future dominated by intelligence which we call artificial? At the heart of Ralston College is a fundamental commitment to the preservation and flourishing of human life. We believe that the gifts of modernity and technology are so only as much as they allow for the thriving of the soul as well as the body. The large language model threatens the heart of education, reducing wisdom to procedure and data point. We believe that a true education is not merely the right answer on a test, but the right to think for yourself. Knowledge lives not in parchment and answer keys, but in the mind of one who mediates between material and purpose. Each year, we look forward to graduating a new class of masters, a new cohort of friends and searchers, scholars and artists, dedicated to the great dialogue between past and present. This is how we honor the irreducible dignity of the human person and fight the battle for the soul.